The upcoming OnePlus 13 has generated much excitement due to several leaks that reveal various aspects of its design, features, and performance capabilities. A significant detail about the new phone comes from Louis Jie, the head of OnePlus China, who shared on Weibo that the company has almost completed outdoor lighting tests for the BOEX2 display. This quad-micro curved display offers subtle curvatures on all sides, while still giving the impression of a flat screen. This display is an evolution from the OnePlus 12, which used the BOEX1 panel. The X2 promises better comfort due to its curved edges while retaining a visually flat design, enhancing both aesthetics and usability. An image posted by Jie on Weibo also confirms that this screen will feature a centered hole-punch camera and will likely maintain the nearly bezel-less design seen in previous models. Earlier in the year, reports suggested that the display would remain flat like its predecessor. However, the new information suggests otherwise, as the BOEX2 display may include slight curves. This display is expected to be a 6.8 2-inch LTPO OLED with a 2K resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate, providing sharp visuals and smoother scrolling. The slightly curved design is not only expected to improve comfort, but also align with modern flagship trends. Yogesh Brar, a reliable tipster, has leaked important details about the phone's battery and charging specs. According to him, the device will come with a massive 6,000 mAh battery, which is a substantial upgrade from the 5,400 mAh battery found in the OnePlus 12. This larger battery would put it ahead of major competitors like the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, both of which have batteries around the 5,000 mAh mark. In addition to the bigger battery, the new phone will support 100-watt wired fast charging, a feature carried over from the OnePlus 12, according to regulatory filings. This allows the phone to charge from 0 to 100% in roughly 37 minutes, a figure that aligns with what users experienced with the 12 wireless charging speeds are also set to remain at 50 watts, using the Air VUC standard according to Brar. One of the most anticipated aspects of the new phone is its use of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. Sanju Choudhury confirmed that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will be featured in the upcoming phone, making it one of the first devices to incorporate this cutting-edge processor. The chip is expected to significantly boost overall performance, providing faster processing speeds and improved efficiency. The new Snapdragon chip, expected to be officially announced on October 23, 2024, is designed to handle tasks with increased efficiency and speed. Early reports suggest that it will be accompanied by up to 24 GB of RAM, another upgrade that solidifies the OnePlus 13's place in the ultra-premium segment. The phone may offer storage options of up to 1 TB. According to Gadgets 360, the phone will feature a 50-megapixel LYT808 main camera, paired with a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto shooter. This would offer a balanced photography experience with enhanced optical zoom capabilities. The inclusion of a 3x optical zoom, along with the periscope lens, is expected to deliver crisp, detailed images even from afar. According to Luigi, the OnePlus 13 is set to be officially launched in China in October 2024. However, following the company's usual release pattern, it may not be available in other regions, including India, until early 2025. While pricing details have not been officially confirmed, the significant upgrades in battery, chipset, display, and design suggest that the device could come with a higher price tag than its predecessor. The top variant, which may offer 24 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, is what you think about the large battery capacity and the introduction of a ceramic body. Stay tuned for more updates on pricing and availability as the official launch approaches.